Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Accounting and Accounting by Rajneesh Kumar. Today in this tutorial, I am going to tell you about the TALLY Prime and how to create a company in the TALLY Prime. So, firstly, open the TALLY Prime software, and in TALLY Prime software, we will only use the educational part of that software, not for the license, but we will only use the educational part. So, this is opening. This is your Tally's user interface in which we will see the top menu bar and the one which is the gateway of Tally, in which we have seen our company and our periods and current periods. Apart from this, with the gateway of company, we have the masters in which we maintain our GL accounts and the transaction in which we create entries on day-to-day activities of the business. And after this, there is utilities folder in which we configure our banking accounts. After this, we have the reports in which we can see the balance sheet report, the profit and loss reports, stock summary, ratio analysis. These are the reports that we can see, and this is also known for as the financial statements of a company. In stock summary, we can, apart from this, in stock summary, we can see our stocks position, opening or the closing position of our stocks. Apart from this, we have the display more reports in which we can see some more reports on the basis of the transaction. These are known as trial balances, debit or debit, cash flow statements, fund flow statements, and the other accounts books like cash book, ledger book, group summary. These are all the types of register that we can see: the general register, debit register, credit registers, sales register. We have every kinds of things over there: statements of accounts, inventory books, statements, inventory, GST reports. One of the most important in 2016, Tally solution upgrade their system and introduce some new reforms regarding GST. It provides the GST phenomena in this, in which we can see over GSTR1, GSTR2, and GSTR3B. We can also create our eBay bill also, and one can also create the challan for the GST and GST alone computation can also be calculated from the Telegram software. So, first of all, let's come back. First of all, this is the our Tally Prime Azure, which means that we work only the education matter. We can see our license detail over here. That will show about your license validity and other things. Apart from this, this menu is known as the top menu, in which we can go to the about the company information. We can create company over there, alter our company. If we want to some alteration in our existing company, we can do over here. If you want to change our country, we can change our country, or we can go for the shortcut key F3 selection for a company. If we want to set a company, we can also set a company. All the other things are there, you can see that. Apart from the data, we can back up our data, restore our data, then exchange is our data. Apart from this, exchange and the go to. This is the go to menu in which we can go for any screen that we want to go. Okay, so this is the introduction of the Tally user interface. Now, the The foremost task for a accountant is to create their company on the Telegram software. And making company is not so difficult task. It is very simple but very informative task in which we can create our company with this sub information. Okay, so let's go for creating a company. Firstly, we have to go to the Alt K, or you can directly go from here. You can click on the create company. In this column, you have to write the name of the company. Suppose we are giving the name of our company like Bhushan Enterprise. Mailing name is also the Bhushan Enterprise. It will automatically select this name. Now, the address of the company. Suppose we are living in Haryana, so we will give our address for Haryana Karnal. We can write that Basant Bihar Jit Shirmol Karnal. We can choose our state of from here, Haryana. Pin code 135002. Telephone if you have any telephone number. Mobile phone. Fax email address. Website, if there any website you can click over it. Now the coming for the financial year beginning from in this column you have to define in which your companies are formed, in which year your company is formed. Suppose if a company started in the year after April 2022, so we will give our address beginning from the year 2022. Books beginning from, it is different from the beginning of the, suppose if your company is beginning in the month May, so we can say that the books are beginning from the May month. So we can set our date from here like this, 1st of May 2012. Now we can configure our currency over here, which is rupees, and then accept it. Yes, we accept. Now our company has been formed, the Bhushan Enterprise. After this, we have some other configuration that regarding our company. A pop-up will come on your screen and then ask for the another some information regarding your company. So the first one is show more feature. Yes, everyone feature is you can see on your screen. Maintain account. Yes, we have to maintain our account. Enable bill validity. You can say not for centers. For this time, it is not important. Yes, we have to maintain our inventory. Integrate accounts with inventory. Yes, multiple price level. We don't need right now for this step. The main important thing is GST. Yes, one of the most important thing is regarding GST or registration type. In this column we have to define that our company is a regular taxpayer or the composition taxpayer. In regular taxpayer, we will pay our tax or GSTR GST return on monthly basis. In the composition, we we register our GSTR in quarterly. So we have to choose the regular option. Assess other territories? No. GST applicable from the 1st of May 25. Now you have to give your GST number. Suppose we will give some GST number randomly. In real practice, your accountant will provide you the GST number after registering your company on the GST portal. Okay, so we have to pay monthly GST here. If we bill not mandatory yet, tax number no. Enable GST classification yes. So accept it. Alright. TDS. If you want to enable TDS, you can create over here, and with this it will ask for more information will pop up, but right now it is not mandatory for us. Okay, so we can name it black now. Enable tax collect source. TCS is not so important here. So this is this all for the basic company configuration that we can do. Who's an enterprise? Here is your company we can create. So this is the introduction part of the video in which we define the GST. Sorry, we define the TALLY user interface and how to create a company in the TALLY platform. So this is my first video. Please like, share, and subscribe my video. Thank you so much.